it's time for some fun facts. And today's question is, what animal do males give birth to? If you know the answer, you can write it in the comments before I reveal it. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you can learn something new every day. There are over 365 million species on Earth, and we've only discovered about 17 million of them. So there's plenty of animals that we don't know much about, including some very surprising ones that give birth. But this particular one is well known by many of you. That's right, it's a seahorse. Seahorses are fish, but they aren't like most other fish. For example, while most male fish have no involvement with their young, male seahorses carry their babies in a pouch until they're born. The eggs hatch, and the male gives birth. It's the only animal where males carry and deliver babies. In fact, male seahorses have been observed giving birth every 14 days or so, producing up to 2,500 offspring at a time. There are around 60 species of seahorse living in oceans around the world. And despite all that time observing them, we still don't know much about their sex lives. Seahorses are one of the few animals that exhibit sexual reproduction. This means that it takes both a male and a female to produce offspring. However, in most species, the female and male seahorse release their sex cells into the water. This is called external fertilization. External fertilization is common among fish and amphibians, but not mammals. Mammals typically have internal fertilization where the male fertilizes the female inside her body. Seahorses fertilize their eggs internally, but instead of the female carrying the young, it's the male. A male seahorse can carry hundreds of offspring at once. They get pregnant through a process called brooding. It's similar to internal fertilization in mammals. During brooding, the female deposits her eggs into a specialized pouch on the male's belly. The male then fertilizes the eggs and carries them to term. Not only does the male carry the offspring, but he also provides nourishment. Male seahorses have a special organ called a yolk sac. The yolk sac provides nutrients to the developing embryos. In some species, the male also produces milk. He releases the milk from his nipple-like structures called sudoriferous glands. Milk production in males has also been observed in other fish, but this behavior is more common among male mammals. The entire pregnancy and birthing process can take anywhere from 2 weeks to several months. It depends on the species of seahorse. When the babies are ready to be born, the male goes into labor. His contractions help push the offspring out of his brood pouch. The babies are born fully developed and are ready to swim and find food immediately. While we know quite a bit about seahorse reproduction, there are still some things that we don't understand. For example, we don't know how the male gets the eggs from the female into his brood pouch. We also don't know how the male provides nourishment to the offspring during pregnancy. These are just some of the many mysteries surrounding seahorses. Even though they're small and often overlooked, seahorses are fascinating creatures. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. They're found in both fresh and salt water around the world. Seahorses are also popular in the aquarium trade. In the wild, they're an important part of the ecosystem. They help control populations of other fish and invertebrates. So next time you see a seahorse, take a moment to appreciate this amazing creature. Who knows, you might learn something new. Seahorses are truly unique and amazing animals. Not only do they give birth, but they also play an important role in the ecosystem. Now you know just how special these little guys are. So what did you think? Was that fun fact interesting? Did you already know the answer? Ready to dive deeper into the fascinating world of seahorses? Let's explore together. Also make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.